Good evening, Toastmasters and my dear guests. 33 years ago, exactly 33 years ago, only 10, not even 10% of the population were watching World Cup cricket between June 9th and June 25th, the same period. But one day, suddenly, something happened. On June 25th, World Cup finals, India won the World Cup finals. Within 24 hours of winning the World Cup, cricket became the national anthem of this country. Those days, actually, West Indies used to be a very powerful country in terms of cricket. West Indies were dominating and ruling the cricket industry. First World Cup was won by West Indies. Second World Cup was won by West Indies. And Indian status were like today's Kenya or Bangladesh. So nobody expected that India will win the semi-finals with England and enter into the finals. But to everybody's surprise, India won England and entered into finals. In the finals, actually, the peer members of the country asked Kapil Dev whether we can face West Indies. Kapil Dev said just only one thing: what we are going to lose. Let's simply try now. That reinsured, that made the team members to boost their morale, and they came back. And it was a day, it was a final day, it was a big red letter day. As expected, everybody expected, the score of Indian team was just 183 for 60 over match. So again, everybody knew that India is going to lose the match. Again, in the lunchtime, everybody came with a down head and asked Kapil Dev, can we win this match? Kapil Dev again said only one thing: what we are going to lose. Let's simply try now. Again, they went to the field, and at last, India won the World Cup. The day, June 25th, 1983, somebody in India who was watching that World Cup finals got inspired by Kapil Dev and World Cup. He wanted to win another World Cup for India. Later he became Sachin Tendulkar. When Sachin Tendulkar came to play, another first standard student was watching the cricket, got inspired by Sachin Tendulkar, and he became Virat Kohli. Everything started in the year 1983. Everything started with a single thing, that trying. Let's simply try. That's the theme of the day. So, theme of the day is let's simply try. And every Toastmaster meeting has some flow of meeting. Procedures are there. One is prepared speaker session. Another one is table topics. Table topics is basically an impromptu speeches. And the most important session is the evaluation session. In order to conduct, let me introduce the general evaluator, Toastmaster Prabhakar. And Toastmaster Prabhakar is an experienced entrepreneur, and he has been in Toastmasters for past 1 year. And while I was asking about the theme of the day, let's simply try, he got reminded of his father. His father always, when he feels somewhat reluctant to do something, his father always used to tell him, trial costs nothing. So whenever his father says him, trial costs nothing, again he will get that kind of energy and he will go and accomplish the task. That is what he got reminded of. Let's simply try. And let me welcome Toastmaster Prabhakar on stage.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters, and welcome guests. Today we are about to go to a very exciting future for the next 2 hours. There is a lot of prepared speech and table topics also. In the prepared speech, there will be an evaluation session, and the evaluation will be something like how a frog is dissected in a lab and analyzed for all the internal parts. Similarly, a speech is dissected, and I have an excellent team who will give you a report known as the tag team. The tag team consists of our director, Mr. Muthu, Toastmaster Muthu Muthu is a mechanical engineer and works in an automotive firm making seats. When he heard about the theme, the story flashed in his mind was the chained elephant. When an elephant is young, it will be tied with a small chain around its leg for restraining its movement. The young elephant will initially try to escape, but soon realize that escaping is futile and give up. As they grow, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break the chain and never try to break free. Like the elephants, how many of us are living or hanging on to a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at once before? Sometimes we avoid try something new because of a limiting belief, or sometimes because of someone's limiting belief. Let's simply try. That's the motto of today's speech. Whenever you hear somebody talking about let's simply try, please applaud. That is one of our requirements of our audience so that they all get motivated to give a good speech. So, can we try? Let's simply try. So, one more time, choose not accept the false boundaries and limitations created with the past. Or to Toastmaster Muthu, will you please explain your role?
Yeah. Thank you, General Auditor. Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and esteemed guests. One of the obstacles to overcome on the journey to become a competent speaker is to express your thought within a specific amount of time. To facilitate this, every Toastmaster meeting has an official timekeeper who records time for all the participants and provide reports at the end of the meeting. Today it's my pleasure to be your timekeeper. Each piece has a predefined time range. If you look at the agenda, you will see the time range defined next to each speaking lot with 3 colors mentioned: green, yellow and red. I will show the colored cards to speakers to indicate the time question. Green card indicates the qualifying time, yellow card the target time, and red card the maximum time. The speaker should wrap up his speech within the 30 seconds of red card. The time range of prepared speaker is 5 to 7 minutes. The speaker should speak a minimum of 4.5 minutes to qualify. I will show the green card at 5 minutes, yellow card at 6 minutes and the red card at 7 minutes. For evaluators, the time range is 2 to 3 minutes. The green card will be shown at 2 minutes, yellow at 2.5 minutes and red at 3 minutes. For table topics, each speaker is encouraged to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. The TT speaker should speak minimum 1 minute to qualify. The green card will be shown at 1 minute, yellow card at 1.5 minutes and the red card at 2 minutes. If the speech overtimes by more than 30 seconds on the red card, the speaker will be disqualified and not eligible for awards. I will report the qualifying time when called upon at the end of the meeting.
Thank you, Muthu, for that. Speech one has to finish the time within the allotted period. Now, the next expert is the R counter and Toastmaster Santosh. Toastmaster Santosh holds a master's degree in social work and is working as an HR professional in a private firm. About the theme of the day, he says, simply trying is the first step to excellence. I firmly believe it. A simple try will give us a great confidence to do more. I would like to add my action on the theme. Recently, I have wrote an article for the Hindu downtown, though I am not a good writer. I simply tried. Please give a good round of applause.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters. Welcome guests. My duty as a R counter is to listen to the verbal distractions such as you know, and, so, but, and other filler words or sounds. I will also keep track of repeated words like the, and I. Lastly, I keep track of long pauses when they are distracting. I will keep track of all the speaking errors and writing for each speakers and give you a report when called upon to deliver. Over to you.
Thank you. Good info you have given about the counter and the intricacies of the various pauses and other aspects in that speech. Now, our next specialist is our grammarian. He is Toastmaster Masroor. He is doing it for the first time. Please give a good round of applause. He is an IT professional and works in a company called Product Solutions. This is a place where my own son-in-law worked some time back. Now he is the same different company in a different organization. Now, when coming to the theme of the day, he says, we do waste our time thinking too much on the outcome. Instead, we need to simply try it out and take a shot. Who knows, our simple try may lead bigger outcomes. Over to you, sir. Please explain your point.
The past is always tense, the future perfect. Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and welcome back. As a grammarian, it's my responsibility to pay close attention to all the speakers, listening carefully to their language usage. I'll take up note of any misuse of English language as well as any outstanding uses, quotes, sayings, or thoughts. As a grammarian, it's also my duty to introduce the word of the day. So today's meeting, the word of the day is stride. S-T-R-I-E. So it means make great efforts to achieve or obtain something, and or struggle or to fight vigorously. The synonym for strive is to try, try hard, attempt, endure, aspire, undertake, strain, and struggle. The possible usage could be the company will strive for excellence in service delivery. And now one more, the new man had much to strive against, but he could sometimes trust himself. Each speaker is encouraged to use the word of the day. Others, please upload when the word of the day is used by the speaker. I give a word of the day report and grammatical usage report when called upon to
Are we all ready for the prepared speech section?
Yes.
Slight change, and today is going to be Jamuna is going to give a first speech. And the subject is, the title is Solution Inside Communication CC Manual 3. Get to the point. I request the evaluator Prakash. Sorry for us to.
Thank you very much, General Evaluator. Now it's time to go to prepared speeches session. Now the first speaker is Jamuna. She has been with Toastmasters for the past 6 months, and she is an engineering graduate, and she is a homemaker right now. Her ambition is to become an orator like Winston Churchill. There is a sleeping volcano within this silent mountain. Before I call upon Toastmaster Jamuna, let me call upon her evaluator, Toastmaster Prakash, to read out the objectives of CC3.
My target speaker Jamuna going to deliver CC3. Get to the point. Our object, the CC3 objectives are, there are 5 objectives are there. I will list out one by one. The first one is select a speech topic and determine its gender and specific purpose. The second one, organize the speech in a manner that best achieves those purposes. The third one, ensure the beginning, body, conclusion reinforce the purpose. The fourth one, project sincerity and conviction and control any nervousness you may feel. And the fifth one, try not to use notes. The time is 5 to 7 minutes. The timer can please note 5 to 7 minutes. Over to you.